Hello guys, today we're gonna fix this Canon printer. It's a Pixma G3411. It has a problem with paper loading or paper feeding. If I start printing, the paper will jam. I will show you. Okay, the print ready, and if I press a copy for printing, the paper will jam like this. So I'm gonna fix this printer. I'm gonna open the unit and let's see what's going wrong inside. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, first we need to turn off the machine and we unplug the cables, USB cables. Okay, the first step, we need to open this blue cap. And also this one. Okay, let's put it back together. Okay, we're gonna try the printer now. I'm not put the cover yet, the front and side cover yet. I just want to test. First we turn on the printer. And we are wait until this blinking is steady. Okay, we press the setting button and we press the plus button until 10 and we press this one and we're waiting. Okay guys, I think we are done fixing the printer before the paper is always stuck, always jamming. It's not loading, it's not feeding. Now the paper is normal again after I remove. There is some necklace inside and maybe some stuff your kids putting inside accidentally. So yeah, that's how you solve this kind of problem. I hope this has helped and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you like this video. It will support me for making more videos in the future. Thank you very much. Terima kasih. Bye bye.